Welcome to our comprehensive video on VPN, Virtual Private Network. Discover how VPN can safeguard your online activities and provide you with enhanced privacy and security. Let's start with the basics. VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. It creates a secure and encrypted connection between your device and the internet, protecting your data from prying eyes. Using a VPN offers several benefits. Firstly, it enhances your online security by encrypting your internet traffic, making it nearly impossible for hackers to intercept your data. Secondly, it protects your privacy by masking your IP address and location. Lastly, it allows you to access geo-restricted content by bypassing regional restrictions. Let's dive deeper into how VPN works. Firstly, it encrypts your data, converting it into a secure code that can only be deciphered by your device and the VPN server. Secondly, it masks your IP address, making it appear as if you're browsing from a different location. Lastly, VPN allows you to choose server locations around the world, giving you more control over your online experience. When selecting a VPN, consider these factors. Firstly, ensure it uses strong encryption protocols to protect your data. Secondly, choose a VPN with a strict no-logs policy, meaning they don't keep records of your online activities. Lastly, opt for a VPN with a wide server network, allowing you to connect to servers in various locations. Now that you understand the benefits of VPN, it's time to take control of your online privacy and security. Start using a VPN today and enjoy a safer and more private internet experience.
Let it go.